Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now discussing the higher order linear differential equations with constant coefficients. So ఈ part లో మనం general solution of f of dy equal to q of x గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం. Here q of x is in terms of b into e power ax. So here q of x is a continuation function. Q of x is in terms of b into e to the power ax. Okay. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Now what is the working rule to find the 1 by f of d into e power ax? అంటే here మనకి here equation f of d into y equal to b into e to the power ax అంటే q of x. సో దీనికి ఇక్కడ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఏమొస్తుందంటే ఈక్వల్ టు yc ప్లస్ yp. yc మీన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్, yp మీన్స్ పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్. ఆల్రెడీ మనం కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ గురించి లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో డిస్కషన్ చేసాం. నా ఇక్కడ పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం. సో హియర్ పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ మీన్స్ వర్కింగ్ రూల్ టు ఫైండ్ ద value of 1 by f of d into e to the power ax. This is the particular integral value. Okay. So here working rule, first point, put d equal to a. Replace the d by a. If f of a not equal to 0, then 1 by f of d e to the power ax equal to 1 by f of a into e to the power ax. This is the particular integral when f of a not equal to 0. Okay, this is the first case. Now second case, if f of a equal to 0 అయితే అంటే మనం d ప్లేస్ లో a రీప్లేస్ చేసిన తర్వాత f of a వాల్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఉంటే and no factor of f of d is repeated. No factor of f of d is repeated. అయితే then f of d into e to the power ax అనేది ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుందంటే ఇక్కడ నాన్ రిపీటెడ్ టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 1 by pi of a into x into e to the power ax where pi of x not equal to 0. This is the second case. Third one, if f of a equal to 0 and factor of f of d is repeated twice. Factor of f of d is repeated twice and pi of a not equal to 0. Then 1 by f of d into e to the power ax equal to 1 by pi of a into 2 times కాబట్టి x square by 2 factorial. 3 times repeated అయితే x cube by 3 factorial. 4 times repeated అయితే x power 4 by 4 factorial. So here 1 by pi of a x square by 2 factorial into e to the power ax. This is the working rule for particular integral. Here given that solve the equation d square minus 5d plus 6 into y equal to e to the power 4x. First మనం కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ మనం పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ y ఈక్వల్ టు yc ప్లస్ yp. So solution given that d square minus 5d plus 6 into y equal to e to the power 4x. So here f of d into y equal to e power 4x means this is the q of x. First auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0 తీసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే మన కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే auxiliary equation అవసరం. So here f of m equal to 0 means d ప్లేస్ లో m తీసుకుందాం. m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. సో దీనికి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తాయంటే m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0 కి m minus 2 into m minus 3. Product is 6, sum is minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. Here m equal to 2 and 3. Two real and different roots. So now general solution is yc equal to, not a general solution, total general solution, complementary function yc equal to c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power 3x. This is the complementary function yc. Next particular integral find out cheyali, yp find out cheyali. So here yp particular integral equal to 1 by f of d into e power ax equal to 1 by f of d means d square minus 5d plus 6 into e to the power 4x. So ఇక్కడ first enti here replace the d by a. Here a value 4. So 4 అనేది d లో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే f of a not equal to 0 అయితే మనకి డైరెక్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. So first replace that 1 by 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus 6 e to the power 4x means 1 by 16 minus 20 plus 6 equal to 22 minus 22. 2 is not equal to 0. This is the f of a not equal to 0. అంటే 1 by 2 into e power 4x. This is the first case. f of a not equal to 0. Then మనకి ఏమొస్తుందంటే 1 by f of b e power ax equal to 1 by f of a e power ax. So f of a value 2, 1 by 2 e power 4x. This is the particular integral yp. Now general solution of equation number 1. General solution of equation number 1 is y equal to yc plus yp. Complementary function plus particular integral. Now here y equal to yc. c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power 3x plus particular integral 1 by 2 e to the power 4x. This is the answer. Okay. So here second one, solve the d square minus 2d minus 3 of y equal to 5. So only constant term ఉంది, మనకి e to the power values ఏం లేవు. సో e to the power values లేనప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకోవాలంటే e power 0x తీసుకోవాలి. e power 0x. Here solution given that, so d square minus 2d minus 3 into y equal to 5 into e to the power 0x. Okay, so this is the equation number 1. This is in the term of f of d into y equal to q of x. మనం auxiliary equation find out చేయాలి. First complementary function find out చేయాలి. Auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. అంటే d place లో m తీసుకోవాలి. m square minus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. Now roots of the equation, ఇక్కడ product అనేది 1 into minus 3 ఉంది, sum is the minus 2 ఉంది. ఓకే, sum is the minus 2 అంటే మనం ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే m square minus 3m plus m minus 3 equal to 0. Take m common, m minus 3 plus 1 common, m minus 3 equal to 0. Means m minus 3 into m plus 1 equal to 0. Product is minus 3, sum is minus 2. Now roots of the equation, m equal to 3 comma minus 1. Here two roots, m equal to 3 and minus 1. Two roots are real and different. Real and different. Then complementary function yc equal to. Then complementary function yc equal to. So yc equal to c1 into e power 3x plus c2 into e power minus 1 into x minus x. This is the complementary function when roots are real and different. Next particular integral, yp equal to 1 by f of d into e power ax. So ikkada 1 by f of d means d square minus 2d minus 3 into 5 into e to the power 0x. Here a value 0, a value 0. Then, so here d place lo a value replace cheste. A value here 0. So here 0 square minus 2 into 0 minus 3. This is the minus 3 not equal to 0. So f of a not equal to 0. Then particular integral is yp equal to 1 by f of a into e to the power ax. This is the first case. Okay, then 1 by f of a value here minus 3 into 5 into e to the power 0x. అంటే కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ మాత్రమే ఉన్నప్పుడు e పవర్ 0x తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ e పవర్ 0x మీన్స్ 1. సో దెన్ particular integral yp equal to minus 1 by 3 into 5 means minus 5 by 3. This is the particular integral. This is the complementary function. Now, general solution of equation number 1 is y equal to yc plus yp. So here y equal to yc value c1 e power 3x plus c2 e power minus x, and here yp value minus 5 by 3. This is your answer. Third question. So here solve the d square minus a square y equal to e power ax plus e power nx. E power ax plus e to the power nx exponents. So here solution, given that d square minus a square y equal to e to the power ax plus e to the power nx. So equation in the form of f of d into y equal to q of x. So first మనం auxiliary equation find out చేయాలి. Auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. అంటే d place లో m value replace చేయాలి. So here m square minus a square equal to 0 means m plus a into m minus a equal to 0. Then m equal to a comma minus a. So here roots are different and real roots and different roots. Then complementary function yc equal to c1 e to the power ax plus c2 e to the power minus ax. Next మనం particular integral find out చేయాలి. yp equal to 1 by f of d e to the power ax అంటే 1 by d square minus a square into e to the power ax plus e to the power nx. Now ఇప్పుడు సెపరేట్ చేద్దాం టూ పార్ట్స్ గా. 1 by d square minus a square e to the power ax plus 1 by d square minus a square e to the power nx. సో ఇక్కడ a వాల్యూ రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే a square minus a square 0. ఇక్కడ d ప్లేస్ లో n రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే n square minus a square నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో దెన్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేద్దాం. d plus a into d minus a e to the power ax plus 1 by here replace the d by n square minus a square. ఇక్కడ f of a value not equal to 0 అంటే this is the yp of second part. So here a value replace చేస్తే మనకి ఇక్కడ denominator value 0 వస్తుంది అంటే f of a value 0 వస్తుంది. f of d value d minus a తీసుకుంటే f of a equal to 0 వస్తుంది. Here phi of d equal to d plus a తీసుకుంటే phi of a is not equal to 0 వస్తుంది. So here f of d equal to d minus a only one factor. Then మన ఫార్ములాలో సెకండ్ కేసులో అప్లై చేయాలి అంటే 1 by pi of a x into e to the power ax. ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ లో d minus a ఫ్యాక్టర్ తీసుకుంటే f of a is 0. So this is the only one factor, not repeated. So ఇక్కడ d plus a means phi of d తీసుకుంటే phi of a value 2a not equal to 0. ఇప్పుడు మనం సెకండ్ కేస్ అప్లై చేయాలి. సెకండ్ కేస్ ఈజ్ 1 by d plus a x into e to the power ax from సెకండ్ కేస్ నుండి plus 1 by n square minus a square e to the power nx. Next, here a value replace చేస్తే phi of a means a plus a 2a not equal to 0. మళ్ళీ మనం ఫస్ట్ కేసుకి వెళ్తున్నాం. సెకండ్ కేసు అప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ కేసుకి వెళ్తే సో హియర్ 1 by d ప్లేస్లో రీప్లేస్ ద a plus a into x into e to the power ax means 1 by 2a into x into e to the power ax. A second part లో 1 by n square minus a square e to the power nx. 1 by n square minus a square e to the power nx. This is the particular integral of this question. This is the solution of third question. Okay. Now next question, fourth one. Solve the equation d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole cube into y equal to e to the power x. Okay. So your solution is given that d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole cube y equal to e power x, and the equation in the form of f of d into y equal to q of x. Okay, first auxiliary function is f of m equal to 0. F of m equal to 0 means d plus m replace చేద్దాం. m plus 2 into m minus 1 whole cube equal to 0. Roots of the equation is m equal to here minus 2 and here m equal to 3 times repeated 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now roots of the equation m equal to minus 2 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now here 1 is 3 times repeated and minus 2 is the different, and here roots are 1 is a 3 times repeated and minus 2 is the different. Ante complementary function yc equal to c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 plus c3x plus c4x square 3 times repeated. Ante x power 0 x square e power here m value 1 ante 1 into x. Okay. Next మనం particular integral find out చేయాలి. So your particular integral yp equal to 1 by f of d into e power x e power ax. So here 1 by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole cube e power x. Here a value 1. A value 1 తీసుకుంటే 1 minus 1 whole cube అంటే this value 0 అవుతుంది. And here f of d equal to d minus 1 whole cube. అయితే f of a value, here f of a means a value 1, 1 minus 1 whole cube equal to 0. Now here phi of d value d plus 2 తీసుకుంటే a value 1 replace చేస్తే 1 plus 2 అంటే here phi of a value 1 తీసుకుంటే 1 plus 2 equal to 3 not equal to 0. So here d minus 1 whole cube అంటే d minus 1 factor అనేది 3 times repeated అయింది. ఓకేనా. నౌ యూజింగ్ ద థర్డ్ కేస్ మన ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ రాయాలి. అంటే థర్డ్ కేసులో here 1 by 1 replace చేద్దాం 1 plus 2 into, so here d minus 1 3 times repeated, then x cube by 3 factorial 3 times repeated means x cube by 3 factorial into e power x. So your particular integral yp equal to 1 by 3 into x cube by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6 into e power x means x cube by 18 into e power x. This is the particular integral. Okay, this is the particular integral. Already మనం complementary function find out చేసాం. Now general solution general solution of equation number 1 is y equal to yc plus yp. So y equal to complementary function c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 plus c2 plus c3x plus c4x square e power x plus particular integral here x cube by 18 into e power x. This is your answer. This is the very important question. Next. Here next question. Solve dq plus 1 into y equal to e to the power x. Already మనం complementary function last part లో నేర్చుకున్నాం dq plus 1 కి. Now solution is given that dq plus 1 into y equal to e power x, equation in the form of f of d into y equal to q of x. Okay, now auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0 means m cube plus 1 equal to 0. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so here m plus 1 into m square minus m plus 1 equal to 0. అంటే రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమొస్తాయి అంటే m equal to -1 and here solving this equation m square minus m plus 1 using the formula m equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a and I square equal to 1 తీసుకుంటే మనకు రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఈక్వేషన్ m equal to ఏమొస్తాయి అంటే 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. Already మనం లాస్ట్ పార్ట్ లో దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కషన్ చేసాం. ఓకే, సో ఈ రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఈక్వేషన్ 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2i. This is the complex roots. 1 is the real root, 2 is the complex roots. 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2i. Now here complementary function. So ఇక్కడ 1 is the real root, 2 is the complex roots. So complex roots in the form of alpha plus or minus I beta. First real root రాసుకుంటే 1 into e to the power minus x plus complex roots ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా వస్తుందంటే e power alpha x. Alpha value 1 by 2 real part 1 by 2x into c2 into cos beta x. Here beta value root 3 by 2x plus c3 into sin beta x. Here beta x value root 3 by 2x. This is the complementary function of this problem. ఇక్కడ roots అనేవి 1 is the real root, 2 is the complex roots. This is the real root part, this is the complex root part. This is the complementary function of the given function. Next మనం particular integral find out చేయాలి. Particular integral means yp equal to 1 by f of d into e to the power x. And 1 by f of d value dq plus 1 into e power x. Here a value 1. A value 1 replace cheste. Here f of a equal to 1 cube plus 1 means 2 not equal to 0. 1 cube value 1, 1 plus 1 2. 2 not equal to 0. 2 not equal to 0 means yp equal to 1 by 2 into e to the power x. Here f of a not equal 0 kabatti here complementary function yp equal to 1 by 2 into e to the power x. This is the particular integral. Now general solution of equation number 1 is y equal to yc plus yp. And here y equal to c1 e to the power minus x plus e power 1 by 2x into c2 cos root 3 by 2x plus c3 sin root 3 by 2x plus complementary function 1 by 2 into e to the power x. This is the answer. Okay, this is the one of the important questions, short answer type question. Okay, next. So same model lo do it this problem. Your question is d square minus 3d plus 2 of y equal to cos hx. Cos hx means hyperbolic function using the formula cos hx is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. For suppose sin hx unte e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Particularly ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ypp equal 1 by f of d. Here q of x అంటే cos hx అంటే 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into e power x plus e power minus x by 2 తీసుకోవాలి. 1 by 2 constant, remaining part 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into e power x plus e power minus x. Next separate చేయాలి. e power x కి 1 time, e power minus x కి another time. ఓకేనా, 1 తీసుకుంటే ఈక్వల్ 0 వస్తుంది, మైనస్ 1 తీసుకుంటే నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0 వస్తుంది. ఈక్వల్ 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఓన్లీ 1 ఫ్యాక్టర్ మాత్రమే 0 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి x ఇంటూ e పవర్ x తీసుకోవాలి. రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్కి మనం అక్కడ ఏ వాల్యూ రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే సాల్వ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, డూ ఇట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. your cos hx is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Okay, all the best your exams. Thank you everyone. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. This is the second part of the higher order linear differential equations. Have a nice day. Bye.